friend, in this video we are going to see how to convert your intraday position to long term or CNC. In addition, we will also see how to convert your futures and options intraday position to NRML, that is until the expiry of the contract. Before going to see about this live demo, there are certain criteria that you need to be aware of for this position conversion. Let us see what are those. The first one is why we need to go for this position conversion. The reason is there might be a sudden fall in price on a stock which you have bought. Because of that, you are going to take the delivery or you need to going to convert into NRML. So that is might be the first one. The next one would be next condition main is in order to convert your position, you should have only bought the stock. You should not have shorted the stock. If shorted the stock, you cannot convert your position to CNC or take delivery of the stock. The only condition is you should have bought the stock for in order to do the position conversion. If you have shorted, forget about converting. The next is actual margin. So you need to have the actual margin in your trading account, the margin that you might need in order to buy the stock in CNC mode. If you have used the leverage that is given by the broker, what you can do is you can partially square off your position and convert the remaining stocks for which you have the amount in your trading account. Let us say for here example, we'll see an example so that you get a clear understanding how much stocks you can convert, how much you cannot convert like that. Let us say you have 1000 rupees in your trading account and the share price was trading at 100, and using leverage you can actually buy 100 shares in intraday, but without leverage you can buy only 10 shares. Now unexpectedly the share price came down. So in this situation what you can do is you have to square off your 90 shares, that is sell the 90 shares and only convert the remaining 10 shares to CNC mode, that is take delivery. So this is how you can do it. So now let us see a quick live demo of conversion so that you get a better idea of how the conversion happens, where is the button to convert. We'll see everything. Now I'm in Zero the Kite. Let's see a quick live demo of this position conversion. I'm going to buy a single stock, let us say State Bank of India, one quantity, and I'm going to try and buy in the market order. I will ignore the limit order and SL, SLM. I will simply buy in the market order one quantity, and we will execute this order and see how to convert your MIS position to CNC. Now we are buying in MIS product code. Let's click buy. So the buy is complete. Now I will go and see in my positions tab at the top. So here you see State Bank of India, product code is MIS, and you see one quantity which we bought. So click on options. Once you click, you have the third option convert. You click convert and you enter the quantity and simply click convert. It would have easily converted to CNC. You see now the product code is changed from MIS to CNC and it shows holding also. So this is how the conversion whenever you buy a stock. Let us also see a demo of like I said, no, if you shorted the stock you cannot convert. Let us see what happens now. I'm going to short a stock, Axis Bank complete shorted. Now let us say convert. You click on convert. Let us say click. So it showed some error like check holdings, no holdings present for entity account. So this is the error. You can, whenever you short a stock you cannot convert that position. So this is how it is. So I hope you got a clear idea. We'll exit all these stocks now. So similarly, if you have any futures and options position, you can simply convert that to NRML. Same option, click convert, go to the position tab and click convert and convert it. So here I will close all the orders. I don't want any open orders. So State Bank of India also I will exit. So whenever you buy in CNC, you can also close on the same day. It will automatically become intraday, and the security transaction tax and all you will not have, so it will be very less. So try to do like that also. If ever you see a profit on the same day, and you buy in CNC and sell on the same day. So this is how the basically about the live demo. I hope you got a clear understanding. So now the topic is over. If you want the free training courses, you can listen, else you can close the video and carry on. So this is our website, powerpunk.com. So click on the premium course section. I will show you how to get all these courses free. So you can sign up for a DMAT account using the link in the website, and you can get all these courses free. So we have 6 courses. You can after signing up, you can WhatsApp me on this number and get all these 6 courses free. Mainly this monthly income option strategy is very important. If you are in stock market, if you take naked position, definitely you will end up in loss, because the market can go in any direction. The FIIs and DIs will know the market depth, the number of orders, and try to make the market in any direction. So it is always advisable to go with strategies, that is buying and selling on the both the sides. In addition, we also have commodities, so many orders there. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.